Investing in mutual funds using Zerodha, an online brokerage platform, involves a few steps. Here's a brief guide. Account setup. If you're new to Zerodha, open an account on their platform by providing necessary documents and completing the KYC process. Access Coin. Zerodha offers a platform called Coin specifically for investing in mutual funds. Locate and access Coin on the Zerodha dashboard. Browse mutual funds. Once in the Coin platform, you can browse through the list of available mutual funds. You will find various categories based on risk and investment goals. Research. Zerodha provides information about each mutual fund, including historical performance, expense ratios, and risk factors. Research and choose funds that align with your investment objectives. Investment amount. Decide on the amount you want to invest in the selected mutual funds. Zerodha typically has a minimum investment amount for each fund. Payment. Make the payment for your chosen mutual funds from your linked bank account. Zerodha offers seamless payment options. Investment confirmation. After the payment is processed, you will receive a confirmation of your investment along with the number of units purchased. Monitor and manage. You can track the performance of your mutual funds on the Zerodha dashboard. You can also set up SIPs for regular investments. Redemption. When you decide to sell or redeem your mutual fund units, you can do so through the Coin platform.